Hey everyone, my name is David, and I'm here with FieldNotes AI to show you a few quick steps on how to get started. Today we're going to dive into contact cleanup and adding new contacts.
Okay. Hi, this is Khek here. I will go through the system and kind of share with you on our demo environment so that you can take a look at how simple it is. And you can also see how you can get, what kind of information that Sparky or the database can collect for you as well too. So let me first navigate by going to the contacts page, to all contacts. And from there, let me kind of start with a basic one. I'll add a basic contact here. And and I'll add a contact, pretty simple. I'll add Bob Smith. I always use that as my example, and bsmith@hotmail.com, and I'll make up a phone number as well too. And I'm just using this for illustration purposes right now. So on the left-hand side, what we have on the left-hand side of the columns is that you will see all the basic information that you have for your contact, their phone number, the email address, in fact, any alternate phone numbers or emails as well too, and where they live for mailing address. And then you've got this small section here for customer goals, what's their budget, target pricing, comments that you want to keep special notes on as well. Next is then, if you have their work information, like their job title, what their job is, any company information. So I'm going to say they're analyst working for Acme Company. And if you have their birthday, also you can say, put it into the system. And this is important for you to be able to kind of keep track of their birthday so that the system can automatically send them on your behalf, wish them happy birthday or wedding anniversaries, like spouse information here. Their spouse contact information, their birthday, phone number as well, and even wedding anniversary information as well too. Okay. On the right hand side, it's a really important thing, I believe, and this is really for keeping track and organizing your contacts. So in the drop down here, you have referral sources here. That's it, that they're referred from a friends and family. So you want to keep notes on it that this was referred to me by Margaret as well too, a friend. And then you can categorize whether they're a buyer, seller, or even renter too, right? Relationship status. Here you can categorize hot, warm, or cold, or you can add and modify and say it's a lukewarm lead for you. And I'll show you more about how important relationship status in subsequent videos as well too. Then the last two categories that I want to bring to your attention is the multi-select. And so you can kind of say that, the spheres, what's their relationship to you? Are they their friends and family and their hot lead? And then also if they are part of my Christmas mailing card, and I will save this on their profile as well too. And I will send them, to my coveted list of connections. I'll send them also a movie list of tickets which you might do once a year, right? So once you're done with all of this, then you hit save, and all the information is saved on the database at this point in time. Okay, and so this is a basic walkthrough of all the fields within this system. If you notice that I don't have all my fields collected on here, but I have done some. So if I click on overview, you'll see that our system only shows you all the relevant information that's collected that's there. It doesn't show you all the empty fields, so it doesn't look very cluttered at all. If you want to see more, you want to look at past notes, you can add it in here. You can look at appointments or past tasks as well too. If there are any action plans, conversations, these are topics that we'll cover in subsequent videos as well too. Hope that helps you. If you have any questions, please let us know. Look forward to talking to you soon. Take care.